Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called funnel experiment. The funnel experiment was devised by Dr. Deming to describe the adverse effects of making changes to a process without first making a careful study of the possible causes of variation in that process. He referred to such process worsening efforts as tampering. In the physical experiment, a marble is dropped through a funnel onto a sheet of paper which contains a target. The objective of the process is to get the marble to come to a stop as closest to the target as possible. Given the resulting variation from the target, the experiment uses several adjustment methods to attempt to manipulate the funnel's location to achieve the objective of the dropped marble falling closer and closer to the target. The learning or the rules of the experiment can be applied to many different types of common knee-jerk reaction, also called tampering, on the part of management, all of which are implement to effective management and continual improvement, including adjusting a process when a result is out of a range of its requirement, making changes without the aid of control chart to monitor variation, changing organization policy based on latest employee satisfaction survey, modifying the quota to reflect current output of a system, using variance from previous budget or expenditures to set a new budget, relying on history passed down from generation to create today's standard. All this has to be avoided. Thanks for watching. Bye.